Roadmap to become a blockchain developer. What if you could build systems that are completely transparent, secure, and decentralized? That's the power of blockchain. A blockchain developer builds applications and systems that run on decentralized networks. These include cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, and decentralized apps, also called dApps. Blockchain is used in finance, supply chain, gaming, healthcare, and even digital identity systems. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of blockchain. Learn what blocks, chains, nodes, and decentralization mean. Understand how transactions are recorded and verified. Next, learn how cryptocurrencies work. Study concepts like Bitcoin, Ethereum, wallets, and mining. Then, understand cryptography. Learn hashing, digital signatures, and encryption. These are the core of blockchain security. After that, learn a programming language. Languages like Solidity, JavaScript, Python, or Go are commonly used. If you're interested in Ethereum, Solidity is a must. Now, move to smart contracts. These are self-executing programs stored on the blockchain. Learn how to write, test, and deploy them. You should also learn how to use blockchain platforms. Ethereum is the most popular, but others like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon are also used. Next, explore Web3 development. Learn how to connect front-end applications with blockchain using tools like Web3.js or Ethers.js. As you grow, understand topics like gas fees token standards, ERC20, ERC721 decentralized finance, DeFi NFTs. Now comes the most important step, practice. Build projects like simple smart contracts, token creation, NFT marketplaces, decentralized apps. These will help you gain real-world experience. But be ready for challenges. Blockchain is still evolving, and debugging smart contracts can be tricky. Also, mistakes can be costly, because transactions are irreversible. That's why security and testing are critical. Think like a blockchain developer. Focus on trust, transparency, and decentralization. Because blockchain is not just technology. It's a shift in how systems are built. Start your journey today and become a blockchain developer building the future of decentralized systems.